Related rates tutorial video. Water leaking onto a floor forms a circular pool. The radius of the pool increases at a rate of 4 centimeters a minute. How fast is the area of the pool increasing when the radius is 13 centimeters?
Okay, so this problem, first we need to determine what equation it is, and since it's a circle and it's talking about the radius, we obviously can determine that we need to use pi r squared, and then the given rate is dr over dt, and that is 4 as stated in the problem above, because that's the rate of it's increasing. And then the radius of the circle stated in the problem above is 13 centimeters. So then we need to plug it all into an equation. So our equation is pi r squared, so we plug it in, and then we do the derivative of that, of pi r squared. Well, that is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r, and r is dr over dt, and dr over dt is 4, so it's 2 pi times 4, and that is times 13, and that is 104 centimeters.
A 6-foot tall person is walking away from a 15-foot tall lamppost at a rate of 6 feet per second. At what rate is the end of the person's shadow moving away from the lamppost? So x is going to represent the distance from the person to the lamppost. Y is going to be the length of the shadow, and t is time. So the equation we'll use to represent the similar triangles is x plus y over 15 is equal to y over 6. Our given rate is dx over dt is equal to 6, and we are looking for dy over dt. So the first thing you're going to do is cross multiply the equation, and you will end up with y is equal to 2/3 x, and then you have to differentiate that, which is just 2/3, and then you plug that into the equation to find dy over dt, and you multiply it by dx over dt, which equals 6, so you'll get 12 over 3, which simplifies to 4. So the person's shadow is moving away from the lamppost at 4 feet per second.